How to delete Happn account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete Happn account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Okay, so right now I am in my Happn account. If you want just to close your Happn account, you must go to your profile with the bottom right icon, and here tap on settings on the top left symbol. So here you have your personal data, your Happn ID and your data. So I'm gonna click on my data because here we're gonna find that option that says delete my account. So I'm gonna click on it. You can just select an option, perhaps dating apps aren't for me, or you have found someone Happn, whatever you want, and yes, I'm done, and that's it. Obviously you must continue with the process, and in that way you have been deleted your Happn account. So this is how to delete Happn account. Thanks for watching.